Hello, everybody. Welcome to my backyard. We're gonna do live footage. We're gonna do before it rains, and then we're gonna do after it rains. This is before the hurricane. I thought about getting some flowers, but I don't have too many, so I said forget it. Might come back out here later, do it. We're gonna do before, and then we're gonna do after, just to see what happens. Um, I'm here with you. I ain't going nowhere. Let's see. This is before. It's like a little raccoon's playground. um, but that's just what we're doing now. We're gonna see before and then after. Right now we're doing before. Let's see if everything's good so far. You can see things intact. And later on I'll come out here and do live footage for you. But right now I'm just, I don't know, just doing something. Let's see. Walk with me. I said hurry up, walk with me. Let's see. As you can see, this is before. Okay. So we're gonna do before and after. Right now we're doing before, then we'll do after. See, the sun's out. It's supposed to be raining. We'll see what happens. And no, I'm not picking up all this stuff. Do I look like I want to? Okay. Walk with me. Chair looks big enough for me. Sit down, watch your mouth. Okay. Let's see. It's sun now. Let's see if it's sun later.